Hello friends, how are you once again? Welcome to another refrigeration. It's BAC Red Seal practice questions. Multiple choice set number 41. Starting with question number 1. In an evaporative condenser, blank is sprayed on the surface of the condenser and some of it evaporates into the surrounding atmosphere. A. Refrigerant, B. Water, C. Glycol, or D. Anti-sludge chemicals. Correct answer is B. Water. Number 2. The evaporation of water on the condensing coil of an evaporative condenser causes the remaining water to be cooled close to the entering blank temperature. A. Condensing, B. Dry bulb, C. Wet bulb, or D. Evaporator. Correct answer is C. Wet bulb temperature. Number 3. Evaporative condensers use only a fraction of the water that conventional water-cooled condensers use because of blank removal process. A. Latent heat, B. Specific heat, C. Sensible heat, or D. Lateral heat. Correct answer is A. Latent heat. Number 4. The water level in the sump of an evaporative condenser is controlled by A. Dump valve, B. Bypass valve, C. Manual lever, or D. Float and valve assembly mounted in the sump. Correct answer is D. Float and valve assembly mounted in the sump. Number 5. The purpose of the bleed-off line in the drain pan of an evaporative condenser is to prevent blank if the float is stuck. A. Evaporation, B. Condensation, C. Overfill, or D. Underfill. Correct answer is C. Overfill. Number 6. A water tower cools water by evaporation and reuses the water through the use of A. Bleed pump, B. Drain pump, C. Recirculation pump, D. Evaporation pump. Correct answer is C. Recirculation pump. Number 7. When water towers are used, approximately how much drop in temperature between the supply and the return water can be achieved? A. 5 degrees Fahrenheit, B. 20 degrees Fahrenheit, C. 10 degrees Fahrenheit, or D. 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Correct answer is D. 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 8. When water being supplied is from a water tower, how much is the approximate requirement in gallons per ton? A. 2 gallons per minute per ton, B. 4 gallons per minute per ton, C. 3 gallons per minute per ton, or D. 1 gallon per minute per ton. Correct answer is C. 3 gallons per minute per ton. Number 9. What is another name for swamp cooler? A. Water tower, B. Evaporative cooler, C. Cooling tower, or D. Evaporative condenser. Correct answer is B. Evaporative cooler. Number 10. In an evaporative cooler, what is being cooled? A. Glycol, B. Refrigerant, C. Water, or D. Air. Correct answer is D. Air. Number 11. Last question. In an evaporative condenser, what is being cooled? A. Glycol, B. Refrigerant, C. Water, or D. Air. Correct answer is B. Refrigerant. Alright, hope you have learned something from this multiple choice set. See you again in the next video. Cheers, have a good one. Happy reviewing. Wish you all the best in your success in passing your Red Seal exam. Cheers. Have a good one.